I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of mute notifications on threads directly on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above here you will search about threads. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.